Remonstrate.
Remonstrate mean censure, protest, argue, expostulate.
Opposite meanings are agree, laud, endorse, commend.
Remnant.
Remnant mean residue, piece, part, remainder.
Opposite meanings are entire, whole, complete, unbroken.
Relinquish.
Relinquish mean forsake, abandon, surrender, abdicate.
Opposite meanings are persist, continue, occupy, hold.
Redress.
Redress mean relief, restoration, remedy, repair.
Opposite meanings are retribution, forfeiture, harm, degenerate.
Redeem.
Redeem mean recover, liberate, fulfill, rescue.
Opposite meanings are lose, barter, neglect, conserve.
Raze.
Raze mean demolish, destroy, annihilate, dismantle.
Opposite meanings are restore, construct, repair, build.
Ravish.
Ravish mean captivate, enchant, seize, charm.
Opposite meanings are disgust, annoy, displease, oppress.
Ravage.
Ravage mean devastate, destroy, ruin, despoil.
Opposite meanings are restore, organize, reconstruct, renovate.
Ratify.
Ratify mean consent, approve, endorse, corroborate.
Opposite meanings are deny, contradict, dissent, oppose.
Rapture.
Rapture mean bliss, delight, pleasure, ecstasy.
Opposite meanings are melancholy, distress, sorrow, agonize.
Rapid.
Rapid mean swift, fast, speedy, accelerate.
Opposite meanings are sluggish, lethargic, languid, listless.
Rancour.
Rancour mean hatred, malice, resentment, bitterness.
Opposite meanings are love, regards, respect, friendliness.
Radiance.
Radiance mean glow, brilliance, splendor, gleaming.
Opposite meanings are dullness, shady, overcast, dusky.
Sycophant.
Sycophant mean. Parasite, flatterer, cringing, servile.
Opposite meanings are devoted, loyal, truthful, faithful.
Sway.
Sway mean. Influence, control, command, power.
Opposite meanings are impotence, futility, disability, incapacity.
Superfluous.
Superfluous mean. Excessive, surplus, redundant, unnecessary.
Opposite meanings are scanty, inadequate, dearth, scarce.
Superficial.
Superficial mean. Partial, shallow, cursory, flimsy.
Opposite meanings are profound, discerning, substantial, deep.
Subvert.
Subvert mean. Overthrow, suppress, demolish, sabotage.
Opposite meanings are accomplish, sustain, generate, organize.
Substantial.
Substantial mean. Durable, lasting, concrete, tangible.
Opposite meanings are tenuous, abstract, fragile, immaterial.
Subsequent.
Subsequent mean. Consequent, following, later, afterwards.
Opposite meanings are preceding, previous, prior, earlier.